MCQs number 106. Toll-like receptors are found on mast cells, neutrophils, lymphocytes, macrophages. The correct option is option D, macrophages. MCQs number 107. Interferons can be used to treat all the following except option A is cancer, B is viral infection, C is muscular dystrophy, D is hepatitis C. The correct option is option C, muscular dystrophy. MCQs number 108. All of the following are function of interferons except that option A is they are not virus specific. Option B is they interfere with viral replication in affected cells. Option C is they only occur naturally. D is they mobilize natural killer cell. The correct option is option C. They are only occur naturally. MCQs 110. Which hypersensitivity is caused by T lymphocytes? Option 1 is delayed, B is acute, C is subacute, D is chronic. The correct option is option A, delayed. MCQs number 111. Without there is no adaptive immune response. Option A is T lymphocytes, B is antibodies, C is plasma cells, D is B lymphocytes. The correct option is option A, T lymphocytes. MCQs 112. Viruses that contain two complete copies of positive strand RNA and enzyme reverse transcriptase are option A is Bogovirus, option B is Rhabdoviruses, option C is retroviruses, option D is reviruses. The correct option is option C, retroviruses. MCQs 113. The time from adoption of bacteriophage to release of new substance bacteriophage is generally 1 to 5 minutes, 20 to 40 minutes, 1 to 4 hours, 6 to 24 hours. The correct option is option B, 20 to 40 hours. The option MCQ number 114. Bacteriophage that can enter into stable long-term relationship with their host are called lytic phage, defective phage, virulent phage, lazy phage, or temperate phage. The correct option is option E, temperate phage. MCQ number 115. The positive strand of certain viruses does not act as a message but become converted into DNA and integrated into host cellular DNA. These viruses are option 1 is rhinoviruses, B is enteroviruses, C is retroviruses, D is reoviruses. The correct option is option C, retroviruses. MCQs number 116. Infants infected with cytomegaloviruses CMV in utero may suffer from mental retardation, B enlarged spleen, C liver damage, D any of these. The correct option is option D, any of these. MCQs number 117. Viroids are unusual in that they have no capsid protein or envelopes, B contain RNA, C are barely visible with the light microscope, D can cause disease in plant, E are retroviral. The correct option is option A, have no capsid protein or envelope. MCQs number 118. The human virus that has been associated with Burkitt's lymphoma, a malignant tumor of jaws, is option A is cytomegaloviruses, B is human papillomaviruses, option C is retroviruses, option D is Epstein-Barr viruses. The correct option is option D, Epstein-Barr viruses. MCQs number 119. All of the following viruses are transmitted by respiratory routes except one: human papillomavirus, rhinovirus, adenovirus, measles virus. The correct option is option A, human papillomavirus. MCQs number 120. All the following viruses are disseminated throughout the body except one: HIV, rabies, yellow fever virus, human papillomaviruses. The correct option is option D, human papillomavirus. MCQs number 121. An important defense function of cytotoxic T lymphocytes in viral infection is to lyse virus infected cell. B is fragment viral nucleic acid by nuclease. C is neutralize free virus particles. D is block cell respiration. The correct option is option A, lyse virus infected cells. MCQs number 122. An abortive infection is one in which option A is the infected cells are killed. B is progeny virus is not produced. C is transplacental infection of fetus occurs. D is cell multiplication is stopped. The correct option is option B, progeny virus is not produced.